Hello Poonam, will you show me how to use this vacuum cleaner?
Sure, let me teach you how to use the vacuum cleaner effectively. A vacuum cleaner will help make your task of cleaning the room easier. However, you must take care of the cleaner, so that it will last a long time. Before you go off your shift, you must empty the bag and ensure it is clean for you to start work the next day. Since the noise of the cleaner can disturb other guests, close the door when you start the vacuum cleaner. Once you have done that, plug in the cleaner and start the machine. If you see closely, you will see that the head has two modes. One with a brush and the other is flat. If the floor has carpet, change the side to the flat head. If the floor is wooden or marble, use the brush side of the vacuum head. Start from the corner and then come to the center of the room. If there are any items that are bigger than the vacuum suction hole, lift it with your hand and dispose it in the dust bin. After you finish vacuuming, inspect the area to see if any debris is left on the floor. And one last piece of advice. If you are using a dry vacuum cleaner, never use it on wet area or to soak up liquid. To clean liquid spills, you must use a cleaner that can handle liquids.
Thank you for teaching me how to use the vacuum properly. In this video, I learned how to clean the floor using a vacuum cleaner properly. And Poonam did mention that I should not use the vacuum cleaner at night. It may disturb guests in other rooms.
That is correct, Jay. Do join me tomorrow for another lesson in housekeeping.
To keep learning about housekeeping, do subscribe to the channel. Also, you can watch other videos about housekeeping from the playlist.
And if you wish to learn about other departments, do see links in the description box below. Also on our website, clarifiedbetter.com, you can read articles and enroll in certificate courses. So do visit the website as well. Bye for now.